All right, next one up, KTM 1290 SUPERDUKE R. This is in for a full Monty Valet. Been ridden through the winter. Looking a little sad for itself. Doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. Oh, I got my work cut out for me with this one. This is getting the full Monty. Everything thrown at it. We're going to put a nice dosing of XCP clear coat on it when it's all clean. Do a bit of polishing on that bodywork. Get it looking like it should. And a bit of protection for the next couple of months. Watch this space. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This KTM 1290 SUPERDUKE R has been fully trotted and ready for the showroom. This had one of our legendary full Monty Valets. Nice bit of polishing on that exhaust, got all that minted up. Bit of XCP clear coat on it. All the wheels have been meticulously clean. All the suspension linkages, all the suspension chains been serviced. Just did a single stage polish on this bodywork and this windscreen, all ready for the showroom. If you're looking for a 1290 SUPERDUKE R, RNC Motorcycles, I think he's got 5 of them at the moment. Give him a buzz.